Setting the right profit target is very important to a day trader because you want to maximize your profit. But sometimes, if you set the wrong profit target, you could turn a winner to a loser. So I will show you an example of how to set the profit target. If you have enough position, and then you can break it into 4 parts. So first, for the half of the position, you can take the profit at 2 times of the risk. In this chart, first we have a breakout and then pullback. So the entry is when we see the signal bar. This bull bar is a very good signal bar, so you're going to enter the market at top of this bar. So measure from the bottom of the bar and the top of the bar. This is your risk. So you set your profit as 2 times of your risk. Measure up. So basically, this is your first profit target. So you're going to exit half of your position by this bull bar. The reason to exit half of your position here is because after that, you can set your stop loss immediately to your break-even point or your entry point. That means even if the market goes back to stop you out, you're not losing anything. So this is to cover your position. Not losing in a winning trade is very important to a day trader. In strong breakout, normally the market will follow measured move. So you can take 1/4 of your position at measured move. So you measure from the bottom of the first leg breakout, you measure from the first bull bar here. We have 5 consecutive bull bar. This is the distance for the first leg. And then you measure again from the bottom of the pullback here and then measure up with the same distance here. So basically this is your second profit target. You're going to exit by this bull bar. You may think, okay, the second leg up here is larger than the first leg. Should I set the profit target a little bit higher? First, you don't know how far it can go. Second, basically for day trading, you only take the profit that belong to you. For the last part of the position, you can use swing to swing to the end of the trend. So basically after here, you can see there's a pullback. You can set your stop to exit at the bottom of this pullback. And when the market goes up here, you can set your stop here. So basically you can see in the end, this is your third target. It's a swing exit, and then you are going to exit at this bear bar. This is just an example of the profit targets. In practice, you can use your own strategy to set up your own profit target, which will give you the maximum profit.